Hi, if you or any of your family member suffer from clavicle fracture or a collarbone fracture and you don't know what to do next, or if you have any unanswered questions from your doctor, this is the right page. Clavicle bone, it is the bone connecting the human body to the arm. This is the human skeleton showing the clavicle bone extending from the sternum to the shoulder joint. This is the normal X-ray showing the clavicle bone. It's extending from here and here. How to detect a fracture in an X-ray? For this, you have to show light on X-ray and you draw a line along the upper border of the clavicle and lower border of the clavicle. This region is uninterrupted, so there is no fracture and it is normal one. But in this case, as I draw a line along here, upper border is uninterrupted, lower border there is a discontinuity, and you can see there is a black line extending here to here. This is the fracture. The discontinuity in the bone is called fracture. In the next case, as we draw the line, it is these two fragments, there is no communication between them and there is a lot of gap is also there, and you can see a small fragment here. This is called displaced fracture. So, how to manage these kind of fracture? In minimally displaced or undisplaced fracture, it is better to go for conservative management. In conservative or non-surgical management, we advise the patients with arm sling or shoulder immobilizer and in some cases clavicle brace for 3 to 4 weeks. In the meantime, the patient has to do finger, wrist and elbow mobilizing exercises. After 3 to 4 weeks, we will take another X-ray of the clavicle and see if there is any bone union and compare with an old X-ray. If the union is good, bone union is good, we will advise them to go for gradual shoulder mobilization exercises. In this kind of highly displaced fracture, the gap between the fracture edges is more and it's highly displaced, and there is a small fragment is also there, and this fragment is itching on the skin and it may cause necrosis of the skin. So in these kind of fractures, it is better go for surgical fixation. In surgical fixation, we make an incision over the clavicle and will reduce this fragment over this fragment and will remove the interposing soft tissues in the meantime. Once we approximate the fracture fragments, we apply a plate or a intramedullary nail and we will fix it with screws. So the gap between the fracture fragment is reduced and the bone will unite faster. This is an X-ray of plate fixation in a displaced fracture. As the bone edges are closely approximated, it will unite faster and the patient will have less pain, and early mobilization can be started and he can return to sports activities in earlier state. In lateral end fractures, we use lateral locking plate, hook plate and tension band wiring like this. What will happen if I don't opt for surgery in displaced fracture? There is a high chances of non-union. Non-union means the bones may not unite. So the patient may have constant pain and functional incompetence. It means if he lifts the shoulder above some degree, he will start experiencing pain, and he may not lift heavy weights. And delayed union, as the gap between the fracture fragments is more, it may take a longer duration for the fracture ends to unite. It may take some 2 to 3 months in some cases. Cosmetic problem. There may be a bulge over the clavicle. It may cause a cosmetic problem in some patients. The fracture management, it depends upon the many factors. We have discussed about the displacement of the bone fragments and comminution. The bone may fracture into multiple pieces. And associated wound. There may be a laceration or injury over the skin of the area. It may contaminate it. So in these cases, we better go for surgical fixation. Other bone fractures like in arm bone fracture, scapula fracture, it is better to go for surgical fixation so the patient can return to activities as early as possible. Age. In younger patient, the healing potential is more, so conservative management is advised. Functional status. If a sports person want to return to sports immediately, hence surgery is advised for them.